हिंदूच्या सुरुवात जाता श्री गणेशा आणि त्या श्री गणेशाक सांभाळून काय तर आम्ही किती घेता केसी घेता किती घेता आम्ही तयार आसा
घेता पण हांगा कितें जालां रिस्पॉन्सिबल तू घेता कोणा कितें जालें बिलायला
उजो बिजो लावन
ना ना तुका आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करून ऐकणार तू कितें हे माहिती मला सेवकान चार्जर वापय हांगा सर सेवकान चार्जर वापय हांगा आम्ही उलयता तेकडे
कोण करता डेमोलिशन कोण करता
केरला मरे तेका पोंगल लागता तेका गणपती का लागता तेका पोंगल खबर आहा तेका गणपती खबर आहा तुम्ही 34 गणपती
आमचा गणपती पुजूकच जावो
ना ऐक चीफ ऑफिसराक डायरेक्शन दिला हायकोर्टान We are just handling the law and order situation.
चीफ ऑफिसर चेअरमॅन
He's on leave.
आम्ही मंडप मोडपाक दिना
Whether any order has been issued by
2005 गणपती पुजला आम्ही
to execute the order. Okay, he has delegated his powers to you.
सगळ्यांत पयलीं आमकां जो सपोर्ट करपाक कोणी मातशें एडजस्ट केलें हांगासर बाबा आमकां मातसो टायम दिलो इल्लो आमकां मातसो इल्लो टायम दिलो तेका हांव सगळ्यांत पयलीं देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी आमकां ही चवथ करूंक हे फावटी बिंदास मेळटली बरी भशेन चवथ करूंक मेळटली हे चवथीक आमी मोठ्या उत्सवान मोठ्या जोशान ही आमी चवथ करतले आनी जेणी आमच्या खातीर हांगा जर आमचे चिंतले हे सगळे लोकांचे बाबा हांकां चवथ करूंक दिवं म्हणून आमच्या खातीर कितें बरें कोणी विचार घेतले तेचे देव बरें करूं बोला गणपती बाप्पा
स्टार्टिंग बालन मोहन चोडणकरान गणपती केलो आता बालन ना आता वेदांत मोहन चोडणकर सगळं मुरगांव करायचो गणपती एकट्याचो वेदांताचो सगळं मुरगांव करायचो गणपती ही आमची शेड आसा न्हू ही अशीच आसूंक जाय आणि आमचे काय प्रॉब्लेम ना ह्या गणपतीक आमच्या हात लावंक जायना कित्याक 15 दीस गणपती उरला आता त्या भुरग्यांक यूथ आसा न्हू तांकां बऱ्या भशेन गणपती करून दिवनी मजा करून सड्यार आमच्यान चडशे अशें बरें फंक्शन सगळं मुरगांव करायचो गणपती एकट्याचो वेदांत न्हू वेदांताचो गणपती तेजो ग्रुपाचो सगळ्या सड्याकाराचो गणपती आनी सगळ्या सड्याकारून येवन हांगा गणपतीची ह्या करपाचें गणपती पायप न्हू ह्या करपाचें आसुरात
आमकां इतलेच मागणे असले की गणपती लागीं पावला हे मेन कारण आनी 15 दिसान हो मंडप रेडी जायना जशें तुमी पयलें आसतलें भितर डेकोरेशन जाता इतलीं वर्सां तुमी येता सगळे जाण डेकोरेशन जाता तें करपाकूच 2 म्हयने वयता आमी कोर्टाकूय रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली काल की आमकां बाबा हे चवथी उपरांत जें कितें आहा तुमचें तें मातशें फुडें धुकलां मागीर तेच्या उपरांत आमी सेल्फ विलिंगली हे शेड आमी तुमकां काडटा म्हणून तेंय आयकूंक ना कोर्टान सो आमकां हे लोकांचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट जाला म्हणून आयज इतले लोक तुमी पळोवंक शकता हांगा येयलेले आहा ते बेश्टे येवंक ना इतलेशे म्हाका सांग 50 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो MPD आयज कमी पडलो हय एक क्वेश्चन तांकां विचारपाक जाय तो चेअरमॅन आपलो बसला थंय वयर ताका काय खबर ना तो खंयच्या गांवांतलो कोणातलो काय खबर ना हे आमचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट जाता सगळ्यांचे लोकांचे हो एक गणपती असो आहा अख्ख्या गोंयांत तो 20 वर्सां पयलीं स्टार्ट जाला आनी इतलो व्हडलो आनी इतलो धूम धाम हितून तो साजरो केल्लो जाता 9 दिसाचो गणपती आमी काय मागना फक्त आमचे हे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट करनाका आनी हो एंटी हिंदू जो बसला थंय चेअरमॅन ताका सारकेंच दाखयतले आमी कितें तें
आयज खंय तरी एडजॉर्न जाल्यार तुमकां दिसता की गणपती पावलो म्हणून तुमकां सगळ्यांक
गणपती पावलो
गणपती बाप्पा मंगलमूर्ती मुरगांवच्या राजाचा
The directions of Honorable High Court, we had assembled over here. Sufficient police personnel were present, municipality staff were there, PWD officials, and I being Mamledar of this Taluka was deputed as an executive magistrate. To see to it that there is no breakdown of law and order situation. We have seen that lot of people have assembled over here, and considering that there might be breakdown of law and order situation, we tried to pacify these people. Actually, I personally requested these people not to obstruct the police personnel and the municipality staff, especially the municipality staff, to demolish this illegal shed which has been erected at Murgaoncha Raja Sarvajanik Ganesh idol over here in Murgaon. But people were agitated. Some people tried to self-immolate themselves. They were giving. Actually, they were warning us that they will self-immolate themselves, and there was a lot of sentiments of general public involved over here because this is a Sarvajanik Ganesh idol of Murgaon, and a lot of people over here were present. But we have seen that Honorable High Court had given direction to the Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council to execute this order, but due to some circumstances he was not present over here. So actual identification of the illegal structure has to be carried out as per the direction, as per the speaking order passed by the Honorable High Court, and that responsibility is given to the Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council. But he had deputed his subordinate staff, municipal engineer was present, and he told me that Chief Officer has been hospitalized. And still we tried to execute the order, though Chief Officer was not present, but people were demanding the presence of Chief Officer, and Chief Officer, who is the main authority to execute the authority. I am not the authority, Mamledar is not the authority, neither the police inspector or the DYSP who is present over here is the authority to execute this order, is the Chief Officer. And the order of Honorable High Court was crystal clear that Chief Officer had to be present in person to execute this order. And there are chances that some allegation also will be levelled against her, since the Chief Officer was not present at the site to demolish this illegal shed. So that's why, considering that Chief Officer is a vital officer who has been actually directed by the Honorable High Court to demolish this illegal shed, and he is hospitalized, he is not actually present at the site, not purposely, but he is sick. He has fallen ill now and he is hospitalized as per the statement, oral statement made by the municipal engineer. So we are adjourning this demolition process, because the sole responsibility to execute this order lies with the Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council, because he is aware what extent this illegality has taken place over here by erecting this illegal shed.
गणपती बाप्पा मंगलमूर्ती मुरगावच्या राजाचा मुरगावच्या राजाचा गणपती बाप्पा मंगलमूर्ती मुरगावच्या राजाचा मुरगावच्या राजाचा.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.